Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1964 Chevy Corvette convertible. Of course you can see this is one nice Vette here at Skyway Classics featuring its saddle tan exterior. Of course that was a weird color. When you look at it, it somewhat features like a granite gold, but it's actually called saddle tan, featuring also a manual, once again manual saddle tan top, also having the old school wire wheel Vette wheels featuring the spinner caps, and of course I like to think of it the old school tires to give it that nice little ride there. But other than that, it does feature the hideaway headlights as the early Corvettes did. Other than that, as we move on to the inside, as you can see, it is a automatic on the floor, still having some of its original features. I like the fact that they tried to match the exterior with the interior with that nice little tan mix there. But other than that, as you can see, we have our nice cluster. Everything seems to be working. Temperature is right at where it's supposed to be. You even got a working clock and a working AM/FM Delco radio, featuring some very crappy music, if I do say so myself. Well, other than that, you still have your old school crank vent windows. You have the old school crank windows. You have your little button handle there, and one of the nice little features, you have your old school shifter with the cup holders. That's a nice little addition they put there, since Vettes never really had the purpose for that. Other than that, going underneath the hood, featuring that nice 327 small block, sounds healthier than ever, runs healthier than ever. Of course, still having its stock air cleaner, still having the Corvette style manifolds or valve covers, having the stock manifolds. Very healthy sound coming from the back, nothing too crazy there. But other than that, with our post of Skyway Classics, as you can see, the front stamping does have the SD on it. It tells you your engine size, but also has the VIN number that matches to the car. So of course you might be getting a win-win when it comes to this kind of Vette. Also want to mention that we have a little booklet behind the seat there, having photos and little documentation of the car as it went through its rebuild process. To be honest with you, the way this car looks, it looks like nobody ever touched it. But the fact is, it does have a book, so you know somebody definitely want to put some love into it. But as for now though, we are just going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.